All right, let's start with some light exercises here. We'll start in C major just while we warm up here. And for a reminder, that means we're only going to be playing the white keys. And for a refresher on finger numbers, remember on both hands, thumb is 1, index is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and that pinky is 5. We're going to be using those in this exercise. So we're going to start off with just the right hand, and we're going to play 1 through 5 fingers from C to G. All right, just like this. Okay, let's practice that just 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Easy enough. Time for the left hand. We can do the same thing. Get that left pinky on a C, and the thumb should be on a G. And we're going to play all the notes in between. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. All right, there we go. And now we're going to work up to being able to play that with both hands together. First, both hands will just play the 1s and the 5s. It's just a little left-right sway here. We go left, then we go right. Left, then right. All right, and now we're just going to add that middle finger in here. We're going to go left, middle, right, middle. All right, let's practice that 2 times here. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, and now we're going to add the rest. We can start slow, and just remember it's the same notes played at the same time. That means C's, D's, E's, F's, and G's. All right, let's give it a shot. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, we're going to ramp that up just a little bit here. 1, 2, ready, go. One time. All right, now let's practice pressing some fingers down at the same time. Back to C position. We'll press 1, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, and 1, 3, 5. Just the right hand for now. Let's practice that 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand, this is now going to turn into 5 and 3, 3 and 1, 5 and 1, 5, 3, 1. All right, let's practice this 2 times as well. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, and let's just see if we can do this with both hands if you can manage. All right, so it's going to be the same notes played, C and E, E and G, C and G, and C, E, G. All right, we'll do this 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go.